Okay, here is a way to clean out the air filter. Excuse me. On this particular Honda model, we're switching over to Skag, but you just undo the tabs here and bring it down. Get any debris out of there, and then you just take this and you know, you can tell, look at that, I don't know if you can tell that. There's a lot of debris in there. You know, you do this often, at least a few times a week, especially in the busy season. You put it in there, just like how you took it out, and make sure these bottom hooks are on, and then snap it in place, and it's secure.